Yo, I'm back finally after a long ass time of just being away to work on my mental health and all that. So, I'm gonna be talking about what's happening with me and this fucking game so far. Sorry if it's a bit laggy or choppy. It's just that I just still need to do a couple more updates. I know I'm gonna kill some while I talk to you guys. But yeah, it's fucking been a while. But yeah, so I've just been away doing my school work and shit. Been doing yard work. Been playing the game. Been everywhere. I just got back from the mountains like 7 hours ago, 8. Got back at like 2 to 3. I went to go take a nap, woke up, shit was fucking 6 o'clock, I was like, fuck, there's pizza on the counter, I was like, yes. But yeah, ain't nothing's happened. The personal, I'm gonna keep that personal shit to me. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go to Blue Hive in the Tesla. Oh yeah, by the way, Tesla's over and Tesla Mega Boost is back. It is a 10 per 2. Holy crap, I really never noticed that. But yeah. But yeah, I've been doing nothing. Just been everywhere and haven't fucking been home, but just haven't had the fucking motivation of recording. Yeah, but I just recently updated my fucking computer to Windows 11. As you can see, besides that, I haven't done much of nothing as recently. So we're finna take down this stump now quick. Because it shouldn't take that long, in my opinion, but yeah. I should activate Super Smoothie. Yeah, but if I go quiet, it's just that I really don't have much to talk about. But yeah, I've been busy, so. Oh yeah, soon I'm gonna go to two to 3 loads a week. So yeah, I'm gonna try doing that, and that fails and shit. I don't know what I can do then, because I'm gonna be uploading in the summer too. So yeah. She should be getting taken down in a couple minutes anyway, so. Man, I'm tired as fuck. I had that coffee. I know. Some good ass coffee. Yeah, but I don't do much shit when I'm home. Besides the work on my computer, do school work and all that shit. So the school's going good. I'm about to fucking graduate soon, so that's gonna be fucking. I'm gonna be happy when that happens. I think I don't know. I might upload that night. I might not. I don't know. Don't even know what I'm gonna do that fucking day. Yeah, don't even know what I'm gonna do. quick. Oh wait, hold up. I hate it. I kinda like this Windows update, but I kinda don't, but I kinda do. Oh, Windows, I don't want you. I don't want you, Windows. Get the fuck out. Yes, sir. How to get that fucking screenshot in for the fucking title. For the fucking don't know what they call it. Not really that good of a fucking YouTuber anyways, but I need to get me a fucking new PC and other types of shit. Cause my shit is laggy. Yeah, but yeah. Stop Snow's about to be done. So I can end this video when Stop Snow dies. I want to see my total attack power. It's high up there. Ooh, that is high up there. Holy crap. Okay. Should only take a fucking couple seconds now. Alright, y'all, I'm about to end this fucking video. Some snow is not taken down. So I'm gonna see y'all boys later. Goodbye, y'all. Be nice.